Hi, today I'm for the new tablet NAVITEL 4G and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should get the Ampere application. That's why we should open the Play Store and in the search pool just enter the Ampere. So now we should just get this first application. That's why just tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application will download in and then install it on your device. Then just tap to open the app. Click to yes, I agree, pick close and tap to OK. So here you'll see information about your battery temperature. In my case, that's 25 degrees, and also I got here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comment, and subscribe.